If you're using a Samsung Galaxy and while taking the videography on your Samsung Galaxy camera, if you want the stabilization to be done on your phone, how do you do that? We are going to see in this video. Without the stabilization, when you're capturing your videos through this Samsung Galaxy phone, might not be having a stabilized position on the video. To get it the more stabilized, you have to turn on the stabilize option on your Samsung Galaxy. How we are going to see in this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Without much delay, just get into your top right corner here on your Samsung Galaxy. Go to the settings icon. Upon going to settings icon, you'll be falling into so much of menu here on settings. Just go to your apps, somewhere it is mentioned down below, and getting into apps. By just tapping here, you would be falling into all the apps which are loaded on your Samsung Galaxy, and go to your camera option on your Samsung Galaxy apps. Just going to apps here on this one, it is showing you camera. Just tap it here on the camera. Upon tapping camera, and the camera, you will be having so many options including camera settings. Just go down somewhere, you will find everything here for changing, and go to your camera settings here on this one. Upon going to camera settings, under the camera settings, you will be having again so many options here. Just scroll up, you will be finding this video stabilization option on your Samsung Galaxy camera settings, and now I have already turned on, as I want the stabilization to be happening while capturing my videos. And if it is in the default off position, you have to just toggle it and turn on. That's all. By just making this, your videography on your Samsung Galaxy would be more stabilized from now onwards. I think it would be very much helpful to you and making stable videos on your camera or on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content.